Hello and welcome to this B1 Intermediate Lesson 45 with me, Kate. Today we're going to be looking at the present simple passive. Okay, so the present simple passive. We use the present simple to express the idea that an action is repeated or usual. In a passive voice, we focus the attention on the person or thing affected by the action, when the subject is unknown, unclear, or unimportant. So let's compare. They wash the floors every day. The floors are washed every day. In this second sentence, we use the present simple passive. The attention is on the object, the floors that are impacted by the action, are washed. We don't know who does this action. He runs the company. The company is run by him. In the second sentence, we use the present simple passive, and the attention is on the object affected by the action. The object is the company, which is run. It says at the end, by him. So we do know, but it's not important. Okay, in these examples, the focus is on the effect of the action. It's not important who performs the action. We made the present simple passive by using a subject, the verb to be, and a past participle. Okay, so let's have a closer look at that. I have two sentences. In these sentences, can you locate the passive forms? Sentence A. Colonel Sanders is also remembered for organising the biggest party in history. Sentence B. The brand is recognised by 94% of the world's population. Can you locate the passive forms in these sentences? We have is remembered and is recognised. Okay, so how do we form the present simple passive? We form the present simple passive with a subject, the use of the verb be, and the past participle. Be can be in a singular or plural form depending on the subject. In our examples, we have Colonel Sanders is remembered. The brand is recognised. It could also be that the verb is contracted. We could, for example, have he's remembered. It's recognised. Okay, in these sentences, who or what is the subject of the sentences? In sentence A, the subject is Colonel Sanders, and in sentence B, the subject is the brand. Okay, in sentence A, who remembers Colonel Sanders? So it says Colonel Sanders is also remembered for organising the biggest party in history. Who remembers Colonel Sanders? He is remembered by whom? People in general. We don't know. It's not important in this sentence. What about the second sentence? The brand is recognised by 94% of the world's population. In sentence B, who recognises the brand? Again, people in general. More specifically, 94% of the world's population. But this isn't important. It's not central to the meaning of the sentence. Okay, let's have a look at this example. It says more than 60,000 products from the Coca-Cola company are drunk around the world every minute. Let me read that again. More than 60,000 products from the Coca-Cola company are drunk around the world every minute. Why has the passive voice been used here? Why have they used the passive simple? Well, the answer is because we're more interested in the number of drinks or products sold than we are in who actually drinks them. Who drinks the products is not important. Okay, let's have a little try with this. So here I've got these objects that we looked at in the previous lesson. So we've got hairbrush, keys, comb, umbrella, lipstick, mobile phone, torch, credit card, towel, razor, plasters and shaving foam. So which object, one object, do the following sentences refer to? Here are your 3 clues. It's mainly used by women. It's usually sold in chemists' shops. It's usually kept in a handbag or purse. What is it? It's a lipstick. Okay, let's try that again. Which object do the following sentences refer to? One object, 3 sentences. They're usually made out of plastic. They're sometimes kept in people's bathrooms. They're used more by men than by women. What is it? It's a razor. And the last one. Which object do the following sentences refer to? So 3 clues, 1 object. They're accepted all over the world nowadays. They're always made out of plastic. They're used by millions of people every day. What is it? It's a credit card. Well done. Okay, your task for today. Can you write a sentence in the present simple passive about something in your daily life? For example, English is taught in many schools. Please leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and show your support. And coming next in lesson 46, we'll be looking at the past simple passive. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.